Social commerce is growing fast, and if you are not using it yet, you are probably falling behind. If you sell on Amazon, Shopify, TikTok, or any other platform, you need to start UGC, which is user-generated content. It's one of the most effective ways to build trust and boost your product performance. But here is the problem: content can get expensive, especially if you are trying to create a lot of it. So in today's video, I'll show you how to get high-quality content without spending a lot of money. You can use this content to improve your Amazon listing, build up your content library, and repurpose it across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and even YouTube. Let's get started. So, what is social commerce? Think about TikTok. Someone scrolls, see a video from a regular person talking about a product, taps a button and buys, without even leaving the app. It's not just TikTok. Other social platforms are also moving these directions, even Amazon. So here is the goal: start collecting UGC content, but do it in an affordable way. Then reuse that content across all of your platforms. Well, most of the sellers only focus on Amazon, maybe about 90%. But in the last 2 years, things shifted. Now many of them are also choosing other channels like TikTok Shop, Walmart, and Shopify. So at Ecomclips, we strongly suggest doing the same. So diversifying your business is a good idea, because relying only on Amazon can be risky. One suspension, one policy change, or tiny algorithm update and your entire income can take a hit. But when you spread your business across multiple platforms, you gain stability, more customers, and long-term growth. It's not about leaving Amazon, it's about building smarter. So diversifying doesn't just protect your business, it unlocks your opportunities too. Now let me show you how to get UGC without spending a lot, how to use it to boost your Amazon listings, and how to repurpose that same content to grow on other platforms. Alright, let's jump into my screen. Let's say I sell fishing gear. First, I head over to Amazon and search for a broad keyword like fishing rods. It doesn't have to match my exact product, just something close enough. Then I scroll through the listings and start clicking on product pages. Now here is the key: look for the video icon on those listings. Click it and you will see videos related to the product, many of which are made by real people, influencers or affiliates. And this is where it gets interesting. You will find creators who have already made UGC style content for products similar to yours. For example, I came across a video by someone called Kane Brand Reviews. He reviewed a fishing rod, and based on the style on his content, he would probably be a perfect fit to review my product too. That's the kind of creator you want to reach out to. The next question is, how do I contact them? Simple, click on his name and you will be taken to his Amazon storefront. At the top right corner, you will often find links to their other platforms, usually TikTok or YouTube. Once you are there, you can reach out and say something like, "Hey, I saw your review on Amazon. I sell a similar product in the fishing category. I would love to send it to you for free in exchange for a short video reviews." Now some creators will say yes and do it for free. Others might ask for a small fees like $10, $20, maybe $50, depending on their popularity and experience. Either way, it's one of the cheapest and most effective ways to get high quality content for your product. So that's a quick overview of how to find and contract creators on Amazon. Let's talk about why this actually matters, how it helps your Amazon listing, and how you can reuse this content across other platforms too. Let's go back to simple listings. This product has the usual setup: some good infographics, a few lifestyle images, and basic A+ content. But when we scroll down and click on the videos tab, you will notice something important. There are two types of videos here: the official brand video uploaded by the sellers and videos created by Amazon influencers, real people who posted reviews through their storefronts. And here is the key: if someone like Kane Reviews make a video for your product, it can show up directly on your Amazon listings under the related video section. That's huge. It gives you more social proof, more engagement, and most importantly, better conversion rates. Customers don't just want polished photos, they want to see how real people actually use the product. When they play your videos, they will first see the clean brand videos, which is great, but what really sells is what comes after: real reviews. These feel genuine. And when shoppers see others using and liking the product, they trust it more and are more likely to buy. You will also see those videos at the very bottom of the listing where Amazon shows influencer content from creators like Zil, Nick or Daniel. So as a seller, this is your chance. Start reaching out these creators. If they review your product, their video gets added to your listing, boosting your chances to making a sale. And the best part, it's super affordable. Usually, all you have to do is send them the product and maybe pay a small fee like $10 to $50. Compare that to regular UGC services that charge $100 to $200 per video, and it's no-brainer. Plus, when the creator sends you the raw video file, you can repurpose it however you want. Post it on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, or any other social media platforms. Take screenshot for Amazon post and lifestyle images. Use it to your ads or product pages. That one video becomes a super valuable asset across all your platforms. So, if you are still not leveraging user-generated content, you are definitely falling behind. This is one of the easiest and most affordable ways to grow your brand and expand beyond Amazon. So that's the full breakdown, how to find micro-influencer, get valuable video content, and start building a stronger content strategy for your brand. If you found this video helpful, feel free to subscribe, like, and drop a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.